Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients for authentic she crab soup. Use 1 lb lump crab meat and 1/4 cup crab roe if available. Measure 2 cups low-sodium chicken stock and 1 cup heavy cream for a rich base. Mince 1 small onion, 1 stalk celery, and 1 carrot into 1/4-inch dice to sweat without browning. Melt 3 tablespoons unsalted butter in a heavy pot, then add 2 tablespoons flour to make a light roux. Keep sherry, salt, white pepper, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice nearby. Cook the soup by beginning with the roux. Melt 3 tablespoons butter, whisk in 2 tablespoons flour, and cook until pale and nutty for 1 to 2 minutes. Gradually whisk in 2 cups chicken stock until smooth, then add 1 cup heavy cream. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook 12 to 15 minutes to thicken and meld flavors. Temper 1 egg yolk with 1/4 cup cream off heat, then whisk it back in for silkiness. Stir in 1 lb lump crab meat and 1/4 cup crab roe. Then finish with 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 to 2 tablespoons. Finish the soup by tasting for salt and white pepper, then add 1 to 2 tablespoons dry sherry and 1 tablespoon lemon juice just before serving. Warm bowls in the oven, then ladle the soup and garnish each bowl with 1 tablespoon chopped chives and a light dusting of cracked white pepper. Serve with buttered crusty bread or oyster crackers. Refrigerate leftovers within 2 hours in a sealed container and consume within 3 days. Reheat gently over low heat to avoid breaking the emulsion, and never boil after adding the egg yolk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.